Hi, this is Mrs. D. Decker here to show you how you're going to create your Mom's ABC Storybird project. First off, you will log into Storybird, and once you're in Storybird, some of you might be getting this message. You can just quickly say you don't have a code, and then just click on the Class tab. Once you're in the Class tab, you'll see your assignments for me right here. First off, you want to click on this assignment, which is the ABCs of my mom. And what you're going to do is you're going to actually do the assignment. So if you read through the instructions, you're just basically going to be creating a first page, which will have like a little poem. The ABCs of my mom by my first name, followed by the student number and your grade level. And then you skip a line and then type the poem itself, which is from the Alpha to the Omega, A to Z. These are the reasons I'm thankful God chose you for me. And then on the next page, you will put the letters of the alphabet, and you'll do A through Z. And then each page will represent the letter of the alphabet as you type sentences about your mom using the positive personality trait sheet, which, if you recall, looks similar to this. You'll have like a sheet that I will hand out to you that has all these letters, and it tells you various traits that you can say about your mom. Then what you'll do is you'll go into your book. You can just simply do this assignment, and you want to do it in a picture book. And once you get in here, I want to tell you that right away you actually want to click to the cover, but it does tell you kind of some hints. You write your story here, drag your art here, but you can do different formats. But here I'm going to just click on the cover because that's what I want you to do first, and then you can pick whichever one you prefer. I kind of like this one because I'm going to drag a picture in here, and you can always change the picture. Right here where it says your ID, you can just put by your first name. So just put your first name here. Oh, they even give you a hint. Don't use any last names. Just say OK to that, and then come back down here to this text box and say by first name and your grade level. So yours, say it's third grade. You can just simply put your first name, and then probably could put a dash in there. And then the next thing you want to do is put the actual title of your book, which is going to be your Mom's ABC and then you're going to type in this poem from the Alpha to the Omega, A to Z. These are the reasons I'm thankful God chose you for me. So this will be your cover. And if you don't like the picture, you can change the picture to whichever you like. And change it to whatever picture you prefer. And then once you're done, then you can click on, you can even change the color of your cover if you like this color, or maybe you like the purple. What kind of like the purple? So I'm going to save that, and you can just click save. And you can really save at the end too. Now the next thing I want to do is go back to the main page where it shows all my pages. You just click this back arrow, and then you're back to your books, and the pages that are in your book will be here. Now you're going to create 26 pages, one for each letter of the alphabet. Now I'm going to click on the first page, and you can change the layout of this just by dragging your picture accordingly. So you can drag it here or up here or down here, whichever place you prefer to have it. Here I'm just going to put it right up here, and then you get your picture in. Now you can start typing in this text box just below it. And you kind of want to follow a format so your mom can kind of have fun and see the letters of the alphabet. But what you can do is you can actually type in A, the letter A, and then just below it so that you know you're at the letter A, and just type in like a personality trait that you like that starts with A. So we go back to our, you can say active, adorable, adventurous, any of these. And I just decided I'm going to just use awesome. So I'm going to get rid of that and go back. And you'll have the sheet at your desk with you. So you are awesome because you play with me. So that would be a simple sentence you could use there. Now the next thing you do is you can do your B page. So now you want to put a new page here. So to add a page, you just simply click on this plus sign over here in the circle. And then now you have your second page, and you can kind of look through the artwork. You can kind of scroll through and just kind of scroll and see what kind of fun things you like. And you can go back this way. Just kind of drag over and drag any picture you like. And say here you could have this one, or oh wait, this one looks cool. So here, oh, this is nice. So like here you could say B and then press enter, and now you're looking for a word that starts with B, and you might say beautiful, blessing. So like you could use one of those B words and come back here and say you are beautiful because you love me. So you could just say B, you are beautiful because you love me. See how you're going to create, and you're going to continue adding pages. You're going to do C, like pressing the plus, and then you do the C page, and you pick another piece of art, and then keep going. So once you're done, then you can save it, and now you can just simply exit it, and you actually aren't finished with it. And once you do finish it, then you want to just click on this to say privately to share link with family and friends. But right now it isn't finished, so you want to click on this, and then you want to go to your dashboard. And then if you want to log out, you just simply click on this over here where it says your ID or your username, then you click log out. And that's all done. Thanks.